Hello everyone. Welcome back to Merit Lane. Today we are starting part 1 of the Top 200 Current Affairs, January 2026 edition. In this video, we'll cover 50 most important current affairs questions for your exams. Test yourself seriously and don't forget to comment your score out of 50 in the comments section. Let's get started. Question number 1. Who released India's first dedicated standard for Agarbatti to enhance consumer safety? The correct answer is Union Minister Prahlad Joshi. Question number 2. What is the theme of the new logo unveiled by MoSPI? The correct answer is Data for Development. Question number 3. Which state approved the establishment of the Indian AI Research Organization at Gift City? The correct answer is Gujarat. Question number 4. Which bird sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh was declared an eco-sensitive zone? The correct answer is Parvatiyarga Bird Sanctuary. Question number 5. Which country became the 21st member of the Eurozone on 1st January 2026? The correct answer is Bulgaria. Question number 6. Which nation legalized cryptocurrency mining and trading starting January 2026? The correct answer is Turkmenistan. Question number 7. India's gross NPAs reached what multi-decade low? The correct answer is 2.1%. Question number 8. Which bank launched the GUZ invitation-only metal credit card? The correct answer is IDFC First Bank. Question number 9. Who was appointed as the interim Director General of NIA? The correct answer is Rakesh Agrawal. Question number 10. Who took charge as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff on 1st January 2026? The correct answer is Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor. Question number 11. Which organization conducted the maiden test of Pinaka Elagia 120 rocket? The correct answer is DRDO. Question number 12. Name the pollution response exercise conducted by the Indian Coast Guard. The correct answer is RPREX-25. Question number 13. Who is the youngest Indian to ski to the South Pole? The correct answer is Kamya Karthikeyan. Question number 14. Which airport was named Best International Airport 2025? The correct answer is Singapore Changi Airport. Question number 15. Who chaired the 5th National Conference of Chief Secretaries? The correct answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question number 16. Who won the 2025 FIDE World Rapid Chess title, mains? The correct answer is Magnus Carlsen. Question number 17. Which Indian cricketer became the first to take 8 wickets in a mains T20I match? The correct answer is Sonam Yeshe. Question number 18. Which scheme completed 9 years on 1st January 2026? The correct answer is Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, PMMVY. Question number 19. What is Bihar's first supercomputer called? The correct answer is Paramrudra. Question number 20. Which indigenous civil helicopter was inaugurated in Bangalore? The correct answer is Dhruvinji. Question number 21. What is the designation of India's first bomb disposal system standard? The correct answer is IS 19445, 2025. Question number 22. On which two Chinese products did India impose anti-dumping duty? The correct answer is refrigerant gas R134A and cold-rolled non-oriented electrical steel. Question number 23. Which state launched the eSwasthya Samvad platform? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Question number 24. What frequency range does NFAP 2025 cover? The correct answer is 8.3 kHz to 3000 GHz. Question number 25. Which president launched SOAR initiatives in Odisha? The correct answer is Draupadi Murmu. Question number 26. What will replace GST compensation cess from 1st February 2026? The correct answer is additional excise duty, tobacco, and health and national security cess, Pan Masala. Question number 27. What is the name of the first train enabled with Kavach 4.0? The correct answer is Sankalp Fast. Question number 28. Endangered sandbar birds are being protected under Namami Gange Mission 2 in which river basin? The correct answer is Ganga Basin. Question number 29. The right to passport falls under which article? The correct answer is Article 21. Question number 30. India overtook which country to become the fourth largest economy? The correct answer is Japan. Question number 31. When is the 8th Pay Commission expected to be implemented? The correct answer is 1st January 2026. Question number 32. Which institution was recognized by Niti Aayog for biotech education? The correct answer is Gujarat Biotechnology University. Question number 33. What is the route of the first Vande Bharat sleeper train? The correct answer is Guwahati, Kolkata. Question number 34. Which state recorded the highest tiger deaths in 2025? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 35. What is the focus of Himachal Pradesh Green to Gold initiative? The correct answer is industrial hemp farming. Question number 36. Which city is on track to become India's first slum-free city? The correct answer is Surat. Question number 37. What new feature is mandatory on Delhi road signboards from 1st January 2026? The correct answer is QR codes. Question number 38. India ranks what globally in rare earth reserves? The correct answer is 3rd. Question number 39. Which legendary investor is stepping down as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway? The correct answer is Warren Buffett. Question number 40. Who was appointed DGFT in December 2025? The correct answer is Love Agrawal. Question number 41. Which missile system underwent successful consecutive salvo launch tests? The correct answer is Pralay missile. Question number 42. Name the indigenous drug research tool developed for pathogen research. The correct answer is Pathgene. Question number 43. Which two countries reached a ceasefire agreement after border clashes? The correct answer is Thailand and Cambodia. Question number 44. Who was named International Ambassador of the 21st Tata Mumbai Marathon? The correct answer is Andre De Grasse. Question number 45. Who won the main singles title at the 87th Senior National Badminton Championships? The correct answer is Surya Tamiri. Question number 46. Who became the second Indian woman to cross 10,000 international runs? The correct answer is Smriti Mandhana. Question number 47. What is the name of the 14 kilograms mini satellite for PSLV 2026 launch? The correct answer is MOI-1. Question number 48. Who is celebrated as India's first woman teacher? The correct answer is Savitribai Phule. Question number 49. Which former Prime Minister of Bangladesh and first female PM of the nation passed away in December 2025? The correct answer is Begum Khaleda Zia. Question number 50. What is the name of the first maritime NBFC in India that recently commenced operations? The correct answer is Sagarmala Finance Corporation Limited, SMFCL. That's it for 50 important current affairs, January 2026. Don't forget to comment your score out of 50 in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for part 2.